Hello my Stitchlings and welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and open up day 11 of this advent calendar. Ooh, right here, front and center. Oh, this is cute. Just a little blue and purple moment. I feel like this would be really fun to make a whale with. Although I feel like it won't look like a whale unless I add white to the bottom. So this might be a time I add some other yarn to this and just use this for the top portion of the whale. I'm gonna go ahead and go look for a pattern. I am going to be using Mom Stitchetti. Amazing name. Amazing name, Mom Spaghetti. Mom Stitchetti. I'm gonna be using her free whale pattern. So go ahead and go check her out on Instagram. I've actually made a couple patterns of hers. I got a little wolf stuffed animal. I've made the wolf version and the fox version. I think both come together with that. And I've made a Highland cow. All of her patterns are really great. So, amazing. Okay, I feel like I need a Diet Coke power up really quick. Let's do this. Okay, now I know I've said this before, but this is my favorite. How cutie patootie is this? I mean, I can't even. I love this. So cute. Today was a good day. Made up for yesterday. So, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
What should I put at the end of my video?